geçene bunun önüne geçene. Evet.
I mean, what can be more fun than this, really? I probably should have read the dimensions first. The apples are coming. They're coming. Feels so good to be able to walk around now. Especially for her. Hey, pal? Still got to figure out a setup that works for me in this area. I think I'm going to use this space over here, this little roundabout area, to bring logs up here, drop them off there, and then kind of cut in that area. Don't know what I'm going to do with this space yet. All of this stuff I'll use. This is basically what I'm using for the compost toilet anyway. And then I'll put in peat moss, anything that I'll grab from the garden, any weeds or anything, I'll put into the compost toilet in there. And to be honest, no smell, everything's gonna be good there. Have to expand that area that way. There's a fire pit area there that I'm gonna move a little bit closer, but I don't know, I gotta figure out a setup that's gonna work. Hey buddy, I got the van about 100 meters closer, by the way. So anyway, it's progress, it's progress. Me and Dobby actually took the van out the last few nights just to just camp a little bit and find a few spots around the island. So it's been fun. Just cleared off the deck. Still had about half of a can of this left. So I'm gonna get the deck prepped and throw some of that on and start working on the outer walls, making them sealed a little bit better. $5 at a garage sale. I thought it was worth it. Anyway, things are starting to look pretty good now. Pretty good. Like I said, it feels so good to be able to walk around now. Hole number 9 is a bit of a doozy. The creek, started to clean it up a little bit. A couple of weeks ago, there was basically no flow at all. So I cleaned it up a little bit. Starting to figure out some food storage down there. And yeah, everything is starting to come together slowly. Slowly. Anyway, hope everybody out there is doing okay, and yeah, hoping you have a good day. Okay, Dobbs, anything you gotta say? Again, buddy. Again. Come on.
In the town on the hill where the apples grow, and the church bells ring every hour or so, I took a little walk just to see the ships coming in.